Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use the right click menu on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all your websites. We have setup, the home, we have settings, the design site, and of course we have at the end the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the right click menu on Wix. It is super simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So the right click element, well, click arrange. You have of course a bunch of options how you can actually go and do it. So um, you just need to go and use the right click menu in the Wix editor. Is also a great way to manage and customize elements on your site. And so here are some key actions how you can perform them. You have the copy paste element. You can go and click on copy paste. Of course, click Control C and Control V. You have the show elements on all pages. You have the copy design, which you can also use, and you can arrange elements. So you can just select arrange elements and move them on your own. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.